Okay, got another Challeneg Lock from Texas Gym. It's KIK. Works pretty smooth. It is locked. Here is the bitting, 6-pin. Six, 5, 4, 1, 6, 2, and 1, and it's open. Okay, let me move. There it is, open. Let's see, where is my new handy dandy KIK tool. I love this thing. When it fits, makes it so much easier to take these clips off. Which will be alright if we lock it, but I do have the key. Go ahead and sit that there. Put that spring there. Let's see if this one will work. I believe it will. Yep. Here's the key. All the key pins work. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We turn them around the way they go in, like so. Yeah. Now let's look at the plug real quick. Threading 1, 2. All of them are threaded. And they all look counter milled too. 4 and 6 and 1 look a little wider to me, but they look counter milled, all of them. Okay, let's see what we got in here. It's kind of odd looking. Serrated spool. Come on out. Oop. And a spool for the last one. And springs. See if there's any doubles. I started pulling the springs out because sometimes after I get done posting the video, I see that some of the springs had 2 put together, and that's what it is. Drunken spool. I thought that was kind of odd. Let's see. All of them look threaded. Some of them greater than the other. I can see threads in all 6. Alright. So here is the pins. Had a drunken spool with a wafer, serrated barrel, kind of, don't know what you really call that one. A lot of handmade pins. And this one actually, I don't know if I can get it to focus good enough, but if you look, it has flat sides on it right there. There's a flat side to it, so it's not completely round. So it's kind of a box spool, maybe? I don't know what you'd call it. But it's squared right there. Come on. Right in here, it is squared all around. Huh. That's a first for me. And a regular spool. And then all the key pins are serrated. Okay, so here is this KIK. I will put it back together, put it with the rest, and send it out to somebody else that may want to trade locks. So I've got 3 more Texas Gem locks on this last shipment. Then I got his new one from Saturday. I got to do 1 more from Red Eye, 2 more from RJ, and I'll have these old ones knocked out and sent on. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Be safe, be good, be legal. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.